bumili ng breakfast. So we can buy there.
Can you guess what is it?
Anay.
Okay, and the next one, the name is similar. We move to the fish truck here. The
And payo lang guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa tunnels na to, huwag kayo magle-leg day prior kasi mahirapan kayo. So guys, meron tayong snacks on board. Kasama to dun sa binayaran natin for this tour. Hi amazing people! Welcome back to my channel. So, sa pagpapatuloy ng ating tour na binuko via Klook, andito na tayo ngayon sa Mekong Delta River. Sasakay tayo ng boat papunta dun sa mga island and papunta sa Candy Workshop Factory, sa bee farm, and dun din tayo magla-lunch. So tara guys, iniintay na tayo ng ating tour. So guys, ayan, papunta na tayo dun sa port. Ito na pala yung port guys, papunta tayo dun sa boat. And as I've said, and if you've watched my previous vlogs, nabook ko ang tour na ito via Klook. So please do not forget to use my promo code EMILCLOOK para makatipid kayo at may additional discounts kayo dito sa mga activities such as this. So, ayan, very brown yung tubig ng Mekong Delta. As expected din sa mga previous vlogs. Ang init guys, tara, bilisan natin! So ito yung boat na sasakyan natin guys. Motorboat muna. Motorboat muna yung sasakyan natin and then magka-transition tayo sa smaller boats mamaya as we go along this tour.
Now we are on the boat. Okay, I welcome you to Mekong Delta and Mekong River here. You know that actually this river here it starts from a mountain in China and it flows through total 6 countries: China, Myanmar, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and it's arrived in Vietnam. To river, upper river and lower river. And now we are at upper river. So that's why Vietnamese we call this river here is Tiền River.
So guys, ayan yung Coconut Candy Island something. So dyan tayo pupunta. Dumadaong lang tong boat. So ayan guys, ito na yung Coconut Candy. Pagbaba nyo ng boat, dire-diretso lang. Susundan lang natin yung tour guide. At syempre, dala-dala natin yung payong na binili natin galing sa Japan. Wala kayang pakinabang ng payong na ito. Lakad-lakad lang tayo dito at pupunta tayo doon sa candy shops. So hindi lang coconut yung flavor ng candy daw na meron doon. Meron din iba't iba and titikman natin. And kung kaya, bibili din tayo ng mga pampasalubong. So guys, this is where we'll have our lunch. Oh, ang ganda na ito. May parang activity dito. Ayan. So doon. Doon tayo sa dulo. Doon ang lunch area. Grabe yung fishes dun sa pond nila guys. Ang lalaki. Ang laki, grabe. Tapos may turtle dito. Hello turtle. So dito tayo sa taas kakain guys. Kaya tayo. At dito ang ating lunch. Ayan. So ito yung sample na lunch. Ito yung ating lunch table.
Alright. I know, exactly.
So guys, done na kami mag-lunch. Ito na yung next activity. Sasakay na kami boat for 20 minutes around sa river. Ayan, ito na yata yung aming bangkero. Si sir, mainit lang talaga. So let the boating begin guys. Ayan, kasama ko 2 Singaporean nasa likod ko at pati yung nagsasaguan. And ito yung ating point of view dito sa Mekong Delta River. Hindi naman masyadong mainit, saktuhan lang. Ayan. So, yan ang makikita ninyo. May kumakanta guys. guys, fun fact lang. Kaya pala brown yung tubig dito sa Mekong Delta. Kasi punong-puno daw to ng mud tsaka ng minerals na nagbibigay ng parang pataba and sustansya sa lupa nila. Kaya maraming tropical fruits yung tumutubo dito sa lugar na to. Share ko lang. Kala ko ilog talaga. Pero hindi. Kasi wala rin siyang amoy. Hindi siya mabaho. Ayan yung mga mud guys. Dito na tayo in the middle of nowhere. Hintay ng crocodile. Alright guys, so tapos na ako doon sa Mekong River mini boat ride. So ngayon naman magbabike daw kami for 20 minutes going to the next destination. May option din kung ayaw mo magbike na hindi ka magbike. Sasakay ka nila sa boat din ulit papunta doon. Pero magbike na lang tayo para cardio din. Diba? Bilang hindi tayo nag-gym. Come on guys, bike time! Sa atin nga sa Pilipinas, hindi ako nagbabike. Napabike ako dito. Ayan. Okay. Okay, bike lang ng bike. Okay, round 2 guys. Pag sanay ka pala sa motor, ninibago ka magbike.
Yan. Kaya lang di ko alam paano ma-stabilize yung stick.
Suabe. So guys, pabalik na tayo sa ating pinagmulan. At buti na lang, maliit lang ang ating camera, so madali siyang maisabit-sabit sa kung saan-saan. At nakakapag-video tayo ng malaya. Grabe, ang dami na nating nagawa today. First day pa lang natin dito sa Saigon. Dami nang nagawa. Tapos, mga maayos din or game din kasama yung mga nakasama ko dito sa tour. 3 grupo lang kami. Yung una, apat na Pilipino, magkakapamilya. Tapos yung 2 Singaporean, tapos ako. So, small group lang. Kaya hindi masyadong matagal yung waiting time. Mabibilis kumilos lahat. So, okay na okay. So, habang nagbabike ka dito sa Ho Chi Minh, marirealize mo rin marami kang ma-appreciate yung beauty ng nature nila. Ito kahit medyo mainit, maraming mga puno, kaya hindi masyadong tirik sa'yo yung araw. Makakapag-bike ka pa rin kahit papaano. And again, binuko tong tour na to via Klook. So, lalagay ko na lang sa description box yung link and use my promo code EMILCLOOK para makatipid kayo sa inyong mga attractions. Yon. So guys, tapos na kami magbike and next naman pupuntahan daw namin yung mga crocodile. So ito sila guys. Welcome to the Senate. Charot. Grabe oh. So guys, ito naman daw ay tinatawag nilang ran snake. Ayan oh. Ang dami pala nila guys, puro snake. Tapos wala tong harang guys oh. Ayan. Pwede ka nilang lapitan. Ayan, dami. Grabe!
Oh my God! Oh my God! They're all fighting. Imagine dito mo eh. Yan yung kinakain mo. Malakaway pa mo! God!
So try din natin guys.
Alien invasion. Oh my God! Away sila.
Thank you. So guys, boat ride na ulit pabalik sa Coconut Factory. So guys, nandito na kami sa Coconut Candy Factory. And ang bango niya dito, may coconut. Ayan.
Now we will have some kind of coconut. You remember on the way from the restaurant we back here, both of the side of the river. We call this one is the water coconut, but this one we call this one is plain coconut because the tree is grow up from the soil over there. And you know that in here to make the coconut candy, we need to use the old coconut because you can see inside they have a thick flesh inside look like this. For the first one, they use a knife look like this to separate the shell of the coconut. And you know that in one made in Vietnam. For the one coconut, he use a knife like this and separate very fast, just in 1 minute. But for me, I need to spend all day.
And ganyan ginagawa yung candy guys. So, minimix ng ganyan.
For the first one, in this again.
You can use everything with a book.
So, tikman natin guys, bagong gawa. Lasang nougat. Kung alam niyo yung nougat guys, ganun yung lasa. So next step guys, ipapack na nila yung mga coconut candies. Yan. Tapos, ito na yung kanilang finished product. So, may iba't ibang flavors.
Of the Vietnamese one kind.
Buy five, get one more free. Yeah, you buy five, you
Buy
buy
5,
six.
get 1 promo.
Yeah, you.
So, ganito guys, 30,000 dong. Check nyo na lang kung magkano.
Chú cái là truy free.
Pag 5 nito, may libreng isa. Yan guys, ang snake wine.
Who want to eat spaghetti noodle soup?
Come on, come on.
Spaghetti daw. Ew!
Wow, it's alive.
No, it's dead.
So guys, andito na kami sa susunod na island which is Unicorn Island para magtikim-tikim lang ng tea. Yan, tea tasting dito. So kami lang yung guest so far. Ito yon. Ito yung masasarap na tea, may calamansi. So let's go and try.
You can come closer. You scared? Okay. No, just two lady there. You know that the people in here, they usually raise a pig in the wooden box, look like this. And for the first one, you know, because in here in the past, it's just like the garden, just like the forest. And some other time, the local people decide and raise the pig in here. And for the first one, they raise the pig with another garden. But after that, they say, they know that you no longer, it's like lychee. And the people, they know that the longan, they have a
This is tea making
The bee pollen.
using the bee pollen.
It's very good for liver and digestion.
That's for strong. For energy. Hala, they don't wanna come here.
And then,
Bee pollen.
calamansi.
Ang dami.
Ningkod ta.
And then honey.
Wow! Diyan mo.
Ano nilagay niya?
Ay,
Kalamansi.
gandang gawing concept. Wala tayong ganito eh.
Wala. Ay, ang bito.
Honey, calamansi, and pollen.
Sama na ang bee.
Eh, kasi sweet eh.
Parang bangaw, ano?
Hot water. Is that hot water?
It's tea.
Kumquat.
Anda?
Tea daw.
It's their local tea.
Tea.
Tea tree, tea tea.
Tea.
Amo na to.
Pollen.
Okay, you try some.
So, try natin ang tea. Haluin daw muna.
No, it's inside. It's not the honey pollen. It doesn't. Different taste.
Sarap. Pineapple! Next naman guys is fruits eating.
Pass.
Guava, pineapple, dragon fruit, watermelon. Dami. Sarap.
nói sơn quê mình vườn cây trái giàu
Mẹ dẫn đầu soi gương.
May lakad to.
Fast tempo.
Fast forward, mali yan.
So guys, that's our last stop for this tour. We're headed back to the hotel. Actually, to the city. So 2 hours ulit yung biyahe. Magbubuot ulit din dun sa limousine. So guys, nandito na kami ulit sa port. Kabababa lang ng boat at iniintay na lang namin yung aming limousine. Grabe limousine. Pabalik ng hotel. At i-end ko ng vlog na ito. Kung nagustuhan yung vlog na ito, please give me a like, comment, and share this video. And please ring the notification bell para updated kayo sa iba ko pang mga vlogs. Yun lang guys at see you sa day 2 bukas. Bye!